Hello, we will learn today standard form. What is standard form? We have to write a number in the form a into 10 raised to power n. A can be from 1 to 10, mean less than 10, between 1 and 10, not equal to 10, less than 10. It can be 9.9, it can be 1.5. So a should be from 1 to 10. It can be equal to 1 and greater than 1. So 4000, we have to write this into standard form. So when point is not mentioned, so it is understood that point is at the end. So what have we to do in standard form? We have to put point after first non-zero digit. So non-zero digit is 4. We have to put point after 4. We have to write it 4.0. Now point is moving 1 2 3 digit left, so it means that we have to write power 10 raised to power 3. Keep this in mind. When point is moving towards left side, power will increase, add or plus. When point is moving towards right side, power will subtract, minus or decrease. Okay, now point is here. Now we have to put point after first non-zero digit. Here first non-zero digit is 2, so it will be 2.173, and because point is moving 2 digit left, so we have to add 2 in the power. So 2 plus 2 4, it will be 10 raised to power 4. Now point is here, we have to put it after first non-zero digit here. So point is moving 1 digit left, power will be increased by 1, so it will be 2.26 into 10 raised to power minus 5 plus 1. So what will it be? It will be 2.26 into 10 raised to power minus 5 plus 1 minus 4. Now 2.5 into 10 raised to power 4, we have to convert it into standard form. Oh my god, this is already in standard form because point is after first non-zero digit. We have not to change it, it will remain same, 10 raised to power 4. Now in this part, point is here and we have to put it after first non-zero digit. This is 0, this is 0, this is 0. Non-zero digit is 2, so point will be after 2. So 1 2 3 4, point is moving towards 4 digit right. What have I mentioned here? Okay, when point is moving toward right side, power will be negative, so it will be 2.35 into 10 raised to power minus 4. This is point. Okay, now this is 0.031. Point will move after first non-zero digit 3.1, so power will decrease by 2 because it is moving 2 digit right. So it will be 3.1 into 10 raised to power 5 minus 2, that is 3. So power has decreased by 2, so that is 3. What is a normal form? If that is the reverse of standard form. If we have to write it in the normal form, so it is multiplying by 10 square or 100, so there are 2 zeros in it, or power is 2, so point will move 2 digit right, so it will become 21730 in normal form. Power is negative, when it will multiply with it, point will move toward. This is exactly opposite of standard form. Don't mix up it with standard form because this is normal form, not standard form. This is normal form. Now point will move 5 digit left, 2 digits are given, we have to put 3 zeros here, so it will be 0.00226. Now 2.5 into 10 raised to power 4, point will move 4 digit right, so 1 digit is 5, we have to put 3 zeros. Point is here, there is no need to mention, so it will be 25,000. Now what will happen in case of addition and subtraction of standard form? 4.2 into 10 raised to power 6 plus 3 into 10 raised to power 5. There are a bunch of methods to solve it. One is to convert it into normal form and then add. when we will convert it into normal form, it will be 42, and we have to put 5 zeros because point is moving 5 digit right. And 3 into 10 raised to power for 5 mean it will be 300,000. Now we can add it. I don't recommend this method because it could be 23, 10 raised to power 23, 10 raised to power 24. It happens. We can see in past papers power is up to 10 raised to power 100, 10 raised to power 101. Then can you put 100 zeros and solve it? Yes, you can, but it will take lot of time. Now by adding it we can find the answer, but I will come back to it. Now listen, there is another method which is very easy. It is 10 raised to power 5 and 10 raised to power 6. Take smaller power common. So 10 raised to power 5 can be taken as common. So what will be left inside the bracket? 4.2. 10 raised to power 6, 10 raised to power 5 common, just 10 raised to power 1 left. 10 raised to power 5 common, just 3 left. Now 4.2 multiply 10, 42. We have done it. 42 plus 3 into 10 raised to power 5. So 42 plus 3 is 45. 45 multiply 10 raised to power 5. If we have to convert it back into standard form, point is here, it will move one digit left, so it will be 4.5. because point is moving one digit left, so power will be increased by 1, so it will be 5 plus 1 6. So this is answer of this. Now in case of subtraction, what will happen? Same will be happen, just for because plus is replacing by minus or negative, so this is minus 3. 42 minus 3, it will give us 39, and 39 to 10 raised to power 5, answer will be 3.9 into 10 raised to power 6. I think there is no need to solve it, you can do it yourself. Now in case of multiplication, when we have to multiply, we will multiply index with index and number with number. So 4.2 times 3, 4.2 times 3 is 3 2 the 6, 3 4 the 12, 12.6. We have to multiply 3 by 4.2, so it will give us 12.6. and 10 raised to power 6 into 10 raised to power 4, when two indices multiply with same base, power will add, so it will give us 6 plus 5 11, 10 raised to power 11. So we can write multiply 10 raised to power 11. Now if we have to give our answer in standard form, point is moving one digit left after first non-zero digit, so it will be 1.26 into 10 raised to power 12. Because point is moving one digit left, so we have to add 1 in it. In case of division, what will happen in case of division? First of all, we have to divide 4.2 by 3, number by number, same multiplication method. So 3 times 1 is 3, 1 carry 12, 3 times 4 is 12, so it will give us 1.4. Now 10 is per 6, 10 is per 5, same base, power will subtract 1.4 into 10 raised to power 6 minus 5, so it will give us 1.4 into 10 raised to power 1. So this is the answer. So we have learned today standard form, normal form, addition and subtraction of standard form, multiplication and division. Thank you so much for learning. Oh wait, I had to do this. 0 plus 0 0 0 0 0 0. Now 3 plus 2 5 and 4 left 45, so this is 45,000,000. when we will convert into standard form, point is here, it will move towards left side, so it will give us 4.5 into 10 raised to power 1 2 3 4 5 6, same answer. Thank you so much.